Hello internet marketers, welcome back to part 2 of my tutorial series on how to sell your products at WarriorPlus, JVZOO, Clickbank. And in today's lesson, I'm going to show you some product creation ideas, and hopefully you can use these ideas and strategies to create your own product, and then you can start selling them at WarriorPlus, JVZOO, and Clickbank. Okay, let's get started with some ideas for you guys. You go to any of the marketplaces, WarriorPlus, JVZOO, or Clickbank, and you look at all their top current trending products, and you just see what's hot out there. So these are all the biggest money makers right now, 3,000 sales, 1,000 sales. And then same thing with JVZOO. You go here, find all the top products, write down all the ones you're capable of making. And I find that on JVZOO there are more software for marketing, and WarriorPlus have a lot more guides, systems, ebooks, videos for internet marketing. So if you're not a coder programmer, then you probably focus more on the ebooks that you can create. Okay, and for Clickbank, I use something called cbengine.com. It has a much better organization. So what I do here is go to like top Gravity. So Clickbank uses something called Gravity to kind of rate what is the product that is currently hot and trending, with a lot of affiliates promoting it and making money with it. At Clickbank, they have more guides and ebooks, video trainings for things like dieting and health products, diabetes, remedies, treatments, natural treatments. There are other remedies here, woodworking, so guides for everything else. So these are all the hottest product, and then there's also categories you can find more ideas from if you're into a certain niche. So that's one way for getting ideas. And the next way is definitely using PLR products, private label rights product, and I recommend ID PLR. It is one of the most established and oldest membership out there, and they even have a free membership for you can get a few hundred products, and including a couple of premium ones as well. And they definitely have the biggest catalog. And what I like about private label rights is you can resell these and keep 100% of the profits. So what this means is you can take any of their products. So they got ebooks, videos, even software, graphics, templates, sites, articles. You can take them and then rebrand it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well in a later part of the training tutorial, how to rebrand an ebook, and then how to set up a sales page and the sales funnel. So that's what I like about PLR as well. When you buy the product or when you rebrand the product, it comes usually with sales pages. So like this one is a private label rights product, and it has a very nice looking sales page. So this is where I get my ideas for sales pages, by using PLR products. So you can take this sales page and then just change out the words, the video, if there's any video, and then just change out where is the cover. So the ebook covers, just change it out, and then change out the name, of course, and the text. And then here's another example. So the sales pages, you can easily change these out. Another nice fancy ones. I'll show you a free software to edit the sales pages, and if you're more technical with WordPress, that's even better. You can use that. So here's a word of warning for you guys. With WarriorPlus, they no longer accept PLR products. So if you take a product from here, say this one right here, WordPress automation secrets, you can't just sell it as is without like just the product. You taking it, copying it exactly without changing the name and the box cover or the sales page. You're not changing anything. You can't list it for sale at WarriorPlus. They don't allow that anymore. You can change out the covers, the brand name, and then make some changes to it, edit it with some additional info from another ebook, or combine it with another ebook package, niche of some sort, and then you can sell it at WarriorPlus after you make it more unique and pretty much your own product at that point. For JVZOO, they have a less restriction on that. You can sell it. And Clickbank is the same thing. They don't have like a big restriction on the POR product, but definitely I would recommend rebranding anything you sell. If you decide to go with POR products, always rebrand it. So for this video, some videos I will have action steps for you guys to take. So in this part, definitely get a list of product ideas that you can potentially sell, and don't forget about POR as well if you don't have any ideas on what to create. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to go over other requirements you need to get started with, like domain names, hosting, an email marketing tool. So be on the lookout for that. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And if you're new to this tutorial series, be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, to get updates, tutorial training on how to sell at WarriorPlus, JVZOO, and Clickbank. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.